Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and his co-deputy Kembo Mohadi have snubbed the party's last Politburo meeting. Sanabena mashoko aiwa aonekwa navanhu vazhinji nemapictures autenda pasocial media yape X achionekwa kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe akanga ari ega, madeputies ake asipo. People, they are not aware of the reasons why they did not attend. Sanabena mashoko amudanyirwa panapa, subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muna mudanyirwa muchinzi. Their no-show comes days after ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa reviewed plans to push for a constitutional amendment, allowing President Emmerson Mnangagwa to rule beyond 2028, effectively sidelining Chiwenga, who is constitutionally positioned to succeed him. The Politburo, ZANU-PF's highest decision-making board, met for the final time in 2024. President Mnangagwa chairs the Politburo. Images from the meeting showed empty seats where Chiwenga and Mohadi as vice presidents typically sit. This absence follows Mnangagwa's remarks at Tuesday's cabinet meeting, where he accused unnamed ministers of habitually skipping official engagements. Analysts suggest these ministers could be part of Chiwenga's faction, signaling a power struggle within the party. Observers view Chiwenga's absence as a silent protest against moves to consolidate Mnangagwa's grip on power. Muchangwa's comments on the succession debate have further fanned speculation, as he declared there would be no immediate successor to Mnangagwa's presidency. The brewing tension comes at a critical juncture for ZANU-PF, with internal divisions threatening to destabilize the party's cohesion ahead of the 2028 elections. Domashwa Romuda Panapa, Anyongwa kuti aiwa vakomana vaviri ava vanoonekwa kuti aiwa they were in absence, and people they do not know the reasons why aiwa they snubbed after kuonekwa kuti Muchangwa anoitara mashoko achiti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa anofanira kuextenda kuti aramba achirula beyond 2028. Mashoko atinoona kuti aiwa akakonzeresa ende vanhu vaunyatsokuona kuti aya ma-attacks pane ma-certain individuals. Tudze mafungiro emo kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.